Hello students, now we shall see last part of this S block elements, that is characteristics of oxides of S block elements. So alkali metals and alkaline earth metals both form oxides. Alkali metal oxides are formed by burning the metals in air. The oxides are of three types, that is monoxide, peroxide and superoxides. So lithium forms monoxide, sodium forms peroxides, uh, while superoxides are found by the potassium and cesium. So the relation between these monoxide, so peroxide and superoxide are given below, how they form from each other. Formation of superoxides is favored only by heavier alkali metals, that is alkali members. This is due to the comparable size of large cations and oxygen anions, packing of which gives stable crystal lattice. The superoxide contains the ion which has 3 electron bond. Its presence in superoxides is supported by X-ray-daton parameters of the compounds. Monoxides are ionic, strongly basic and highly soluble in water. Their solutions are strongly alkaline and possess M plus and OH minus ions. Higher oxides such as peroxides and superoxides also behave as strong oxidizing agents. On treatment with dilute acids, they form hydrogen peroxide and oxygen respectively. So this you can see from the given below reactions. Sodium peroxide, when reacts with sulfuric acid, forms sodium sulfate and hydrogen peroxide. Potassium superoxide, when it is made to treat with sulfuric acid, forms potassium sulfate, water, and it liberates oxygen. So that is peroxide forms hydrogen peroxide, superoxide forms oxygen. Alkaline earth metals also gives two types of oxides. Normal oxide is formed either by heating metal in oxygen or by decomposing the carbonates at high temperature. So calcium, that is of one of the alkaline earth metal, when it is made to react with oxygen, it forms calcium oxide, or you can also form calcium oxide by the decomposition of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate decomposes giving calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Normal Normal oxides are ionic and basic in nature, except beryllium oxide, which is amphoteric in nature. So these oxides, normal oxide, dissolve in water, giving hydroxides. All of them, that is all alkaline have lattice of sodium chloride type. So this is regarding characteristics of oxides of alkali and alkaline earth metals. So especially alkali metals forms three types: monoxide, peroxide, and superoxide. While with the case of alkaline earth metals, they form two types, that is uh, two types of oxides, calcium oxide and peroxides. Now when you come to the comparison of basicity of hydroxides of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, alkali metal hydroxides with general formula MOH, M is metal, OH is are obtained when metals react with water. These are highly soluble in water. So when metal is made to react with water, it forms hydroxides with liberation of hydrogen. Since ionization energy of alkali metals is very low, their hydroxides act as strong bases. The basic character of alkali metal hydroxides increases on moving down the group as the ionization energy of the metals decreases in the same order. Lithium hydroxide is weakest and cesium hydroxide is strongest base. So because ionization energy decreases down the group. Alkali metal hydroxides are not decomposed on heating. So this shows that is how strongly basic in nature. Alkaline earth hydroxides are obtained when metal monoxides react with water. Calcium oxide is made to react with water, it forms calcium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide reacts slowly with water than those of other alkali metal hydroxides. Alkaline earth hydroxides are less basic when compared to the alkali metal hydroxides. Solubility of alkaline earth hydroxides increases with increasing size of metals down the group. In fact, none of them is freely soluble in water. Magnesium hydroxide is very little soluble, whereas calcium hydroxide is sparingly soluble. Consequently, magnesium hydroxide may be prepared by addition of any alkali to an aqueous solution of its salts. So magnesium chloride solution, when it is made to react with sodium hydroxide, forms magnesium hydroxide with sodium chloride. So this shows that solubility of alkaline earth hydroxides increases with increasing size of metals down the group. So and hydroxides can be made prepared with the if it salts of these alkali and alkaline earth metals, when they made to react with aqueous solution, they form the respective hydroxides. So this completes S block elements. So this was the last bit left over for the S block elements. So from next we shall see the next topic, that is P block elements. Thank you.